Tired of spending hours struggling with a heavy lawnmower only to end up with uneven patches? Finding the right mower can turn yard work from a frustrating chore into a quick, satisfying task. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 best lawnmowers that will save you time and energy. Be sure to check the description for links to all the products mentioned. Now, let's dive in. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Yard Force Self-Propelled Lawnmower with a Briggs & Stratton 150cc engine. This powerhouse brings efficiency and convenience with its Ready Start technology, eliminating the hassle of traditional oil changes. Just add oil when needed, and you're good to go. Its 22-inch steel deck, paired with a 21-inch blade, ensures durability season after season. And versatility? You got it! With its 3-in-1 design, you can choose between mulching, side discharge, or using the rear bag to fit your lawn's needs perfectly. Adjusting the cutting height is a breeze with its single lever system, offering 7 positions ranging from 1.25 to 3.75 inches, whether you prefer a clean, close-cut look or a slightly longer, healthier lawn. Plus, with 12-inch rear wheels and 8-inch front wheels, you get solid traction whether you're tackling a flat yard or a slightly hilly landscape. Many users love how easy it is to assemble and appreciate its smooth cutting performance. However, some note that the self-propulsion speed might feel a bit fast for detailed work around trees and tight spaces. If precision mowing is important to you, adjusting your technique could make all the difference. One of the standout features? The adjustable handle folds at the center, making it compact for storage, especially helpful if space is limited in your garage or shed. For those looking for a reliable gas-powered option that delivers solid performance without breaking the bank, this model is definitely worth considering. At number 4, we have the Makita DLM 4/6er PT2 Twin Lawnmower, a powerhouse that stands out with its whisper-quiet operation and battery efficiency. Perfect for lawns up to 800 square meters, this mower maintains a steady 2,500 RPM rotation in quiet mode, keeping things peaceful while you work. What's really cool about this mower? The dual battery fuel gauge, which tells you exactly how much power is left in each battery across 3 stages. No surprises here. You'll always know when it's time to recharge. Plus, the steel deck makes for easy pushing, and the single lever cutting height adjustment is a real convenience. This mower truly does it all: cutting, collecting, and mulching, thanks to its specialized 2-tooth blade. It's versatile and efficient, making yard work a lot less of a hassle. If you have kids, you'll love the added peace of mind from the child lock key, which keeps little hands safe while you work. The 460mm cutting diameter provides great coverage, and with 10 adjustable cutting heights ranging from 20mm to 75mm, you can customize your lawn exactly how you want it. The 60-liter collection box means you'll make fewer stops to empty the grass clippings, allowing you to mow for longer stretches without interruptions. A couple of things to keep in mind. It's not compatible with Makita's G-Series batteries, so if you already own those, you'll need to invest in new batteries specifically for this model. And while the price is on the higher end, for those who value quality and reliability, this mower is definitely a solid investment. Coming in at number 3, we have the Greenworks 48-volt cordless lawnmower, and let me tell you, it's a fantastic combination of performance and convenience. This mower runs on 2 24-volt batteries, delivering a combined 48 volts of power for up to 45 minutes of runtime on a full charge. Of course, that might vary depending on your grass conditions and how you use it, but still, impressive power for a cordless mower. Let's talk about its 17-inch poly deck. Not only does it resist rust, but it's also lightweight, making it super easy to maneuver, perfect if you have a smaller yard or need to navigate those tight spaces. It's a true space saver. The height adjustment is a breeze with a single lever that gives you 5 different positions to match the grass condition. And the 2-in-1 design lets you choose between mulching and rear bagging, depending on your needs. What's really exciting for many users is that this mower is virtually maintenance-free. No gas, no oil changes, and no emissions. Just a simple push-button start and whisper-quiet operation. It's a major upgrade if you're switching from a gas mower. But like with any product, there are some downsides. Some users mention mixed experiences with battery life, especially when dealing with thicker grass or larger lawns. Plus, the smaller deck means you'll need to make more passes on bigger yards. But if you have a small to medium lawn and want to avoid the hassle of gas engines, this mower definitely delivers on performance and ease. What do you think? Is this mower the one you've been waiting for? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Coming in at number 2, we have the Toro Recycler Self-Propelled Lawnmower. And this one is all about making lawn care easier and more intuitive. The standout feature here is the personal pace auto drive system. No confusing knobs or levers. You simply grab the handle and the mower automatically adjusts to your walking speed. It's like it's custom tailored to your pace, making mowing feel effortless. And here's something that's really exciting: Toro's Vortex technology. This system supercharges the recycler cutting system, giving you better mulching and bagging performance. If you've ever struggled with getting your lawn cut just right, this innovation is a real game changer. Another feature that makes life easier: the Super Bagger. It's designed for easy lifting, no shake pouring, and simple cleanup, addressing those annoying problems with traditional mowers, so you can spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your lawn. And here's the best part: the brushless DC motor. It reduces friction and wear, which means less maintenance and a longer-lasting mower. You'll be able to cut up to 1/3 of an acre in 40 minutes or less, making it perfect for most suburban yards. Now, here's where we hit a slight snag. Some users report battery issues, with some units arriving with batteries that won't hold a charge. While this can be frustrating, it's worth noting that Toro's customer service is usually quick to help. At number 1, the best lawnmower on our list is the Ego Power Plus LM2135 SP cordless lawnmower. If you're looking for a premium mower that combines power, versatility, and convenience, this one is an absolute standout. Right off the bat, you get a complete bundle with 2 batteries, a 7.5-hour and a 5.5-hour ARC lithium battery, plus a fast 550-watt charger that recharges the larger battery in just 60 minutes. How awesome is that? What truly sets this mower apart is its Select Cut multi-blade system, which lets you customize your cutting performance like never before. Whether you need mulching, high lift bagging, extended runtime, or upper blades, you can easily switch between options to match your yard's needs. And the touch drive self-propelled technology, it makes operation a breeze, giving you complete control as you mow. With the 7.5-hour battery, you'll get up to 60 minutes of runtime, and with the extra 5.0-hour battery, you can easily tackle larger properties. Plus, the 8 adjustable cutting heights from 1 to 4 inches make it easy to get that perfect, even cut. And with its 3-in-1 functionality, mulching, bagging, and side discharge, this mower really has it all. Yes, it does come at a premium price, but with a 5-year tool warranty and a 3-year battery warranty, Ego backs up its product with confidence. Some users have reported inconsistent battery life, especially in tough cutting conditions. But overall, the power, versatility, and cutting quality make this the best choice for homeowners who want top-notch performance. There you have it, the top 5 best lawnmowers to take your yard care to the next level. Whether you're looking for power, ease, or versatility, there's something here for every lawn. Hit like if this helped you, and don't forget to subscribe for more home improvement tips. Check the description for links to all these mowers.